Hi students, today we are going to discuss about lines and angles, 9th class 4th chapter, exercise 4.4, 15th bit. In the adjacent figure, it is given that BC parallel to DE. Angle BAC equal 35 degree, angle BC equal 102 degree. Find the measures of angle BCA and angle ADE and angle CED. In the given figure, BC parallel to DE. Angle BAC, this angle 35 degree. Angle BCE, this angle 102 degree. Given BC parallel to DE. Angle BAC equal 35 degree and angle BCE equal 102 degree. Find the angle BCA. Angle BCA, this angle find out. Sum of two angles equal 180 degree. Angle BCE plus angle BCA equal 180 degree. Therefore, region is linear pair. Angle BCE equal 102 degree plus angle BCA equal 180 degree. Angle BCA equal 180 degree minus 102 degree. Angle BCA equal 180 minus 102 equal 78 degree. Angle BCA equal 78 degree. In triangle ABC, sum of three angles equal 180 degree. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal 180 degree. Therefore, region is angle some property. Angle A equal to 35 degree plus angle B plus angle C equal 78 degree equal 180 degree. Angle B plus 35 plus 78 equal 113 degree equal 180 degree. Angle B equal 180 degree minus 113 degree. Angle B equal 180 minus 113 equal 67 degree. Angle B equal 67 degree. Find the angle ADE. BC parallel to DE. BC parallel to DE. DA is transversal. This angle 67 degree. This angle also 67 degree. Angle ADE equal angle ABC equal 67 degree. Therefore, region is corresponding angles are equal. Find the angle CED. Angle CED. This angle find out. BC parallel to DE. BC parallel to DE. CA is transversal. This angle 78 degree. This angle also 78 degree. Angle CED equal angle BCA equal 78 degree. Therefore, reason is corresponding angles are equal. Sixteenth bit. In the given figure, AB equal to AC. Two sides are equal. Angle BAC. This angle 36 degree. Angle ADB. This angle 45 degree. Angle AEC. This angle 40 degree. Find the angle ABC, this angle find out. Angle ACB, this angle find out. Angle ABC and angle ACB. Given AB equal to AC. Two sides are equal, opposite angles are equal. Angle ABC equal angle ACB. In triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, sum of three angles equal 180 degree. This angle X, this angle X. X plus 36 degree equal 180 degree. Therefore, angle some property. X plus X 2X plus 36 equal 180 degree. 2X equal 180 minus 36. 2X equal 180 minus 36 equal 144. X equal 144 by 2. 272 ja 144. X equal 72 degree. Angle ABC equal angle ACB equal 72 degree. Third question, angle DAB. Angle DAB, this angle find out. Angle DAB, this triangle, exterior angle X. Exterior angles is equal to sum of the opposite interior angle. X equal 45 plus angle DAB. Therefore, exterior angle property. X equals 72 degree equal 45 degree plus angle DAB. Angle DAB equal 72 degree minus 45 degree. Angle DAB equal 72 minus 45 equal 27 degree. Angle DAB equal 27 degree. Fourth question, angle EAC. Angle EAC. Angle EAC. This angle find out. In triangle ACE, exterior angle X is equal to sum of the opposite interior angles. X equal 40 plus angle EAC. Angle EAC. Therefore, exterior angle property. X equal 72 degree equal 40 plus angle EAC. Angle EAC equal 72 degree minus 40 degree. Angle EAC equal 72 minus 40 degree equal 32 degree. Angle EAC equal 32 degree. 17th bit, using information given in the figure, calculate the values of x and y. In the figure, in triangle ABC, this angle exterior angles. Exterior angles is equal to sum of the opposite interior angle. X equal 34 plus 62 degree. Therefore, exterior angle is equal to sum of the opposite interior angle. X equal 34 degree plus 62 degree equal 96 degree. Find the x equal to 96 degree. This angle 96 degree. In triangle BDE, BDE, this angle exterior angle. Exterior angles is equal to sum of the opposite interior angles. Y equal 24 degree plus 96 degree. Therefore, exterior angle property. Y equal 24 degree plus 96 degree equal 120 degree. Find the y equal 120 degree. This angle 120 degree.